Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Threads app. All you have to do, you just go down clicking this sign down here. Then you come to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go here above this sign, click on it. You come to next appear. Then all you have to do, just click here on notifications. You come to next appear. Then all you have to do now, just click here on Threads and replace here. So then you come to this list, you just go down here, then you come here to additional options in system settings, just click on it. Then you come to this list, click here on notification categories, you go down. So then you come here to accepted follow requests, just clicking this sign or this color, like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here accepted follow request notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.